this video, I'll just show the basic workflow with one of the data sets that we collected today in Pix4D, and then we can probably set you up to try in the other one. So I've just opened up Pix4D, new project. I always name starting with the date in year, month, day, 2021, 01, 13, Columbia Baptist, so that's just kind of the descriptor, the nominal flight altitude, and then the sensor, Phantom 4 Pro. And I'll just copy that in case I lose it, because I always forget to put it somewhere. I will set you up on Dropbox at some point. Here's where all my projects go. Okay, so new project. So add the images. The images are in the data folder, data, drone imagery, Columbia Baptist leaf off. And we got double grid 55 and 80. So this one will be 55. Just select all. So we got 78 images. Next. Not much to look at here. It just gives you some basic information, but it's usually not that helpful. So I just hit next. I do want to look at the selected coordinate system just to make sure it's UTM zone 18N. That's just, don't worry about what that is right now, but that's 18N is a mapping system that works well in the Washington, D.C. area. Next. All right, so you got to tell Pix4D what kind of project this is. And for us, it is mostly going to be a standard 3D map. We did oblique flight, meaning the camera was pointed off nadir. And it's going to give us an orthomosaic, which is a nice stitched together image, and the point cloud, which is really what we care about. You can piece through some of these other ones to see what the differences are. Do not start processing now, so do not click that. So Pix4D brings in the locations of the image. We can make sure that they generally line up to where we were. So yep, Columbia Baptist Church, this was generally where our flight box was. So that's all good. And so here's where I just do the processing in the cloud, basically. And I want to look at the processing options first. So that's fine, just full processing. So generating the point cloud, I tend to go big on this. So it's, I don't optimize, I just do everything, do the two things that give me the densest point cloud, which is adjusting these two parameters. And that's it. And then the last one, I don't think we have to do anything. No. So just click OK. So you could just start processing locally here, but I find it's much faster to just go up to the cloud. So I'll go to Upload Project Files, then do Start Processing, and Upload. And so that's about it. Should be. I'll get back to you once these are all uploaded. Okay, it's done uploading. So that's all good. And so what I'll have you do is I'll give you the information to log into this AU mapping Gmail account, and should send me a notification, but I don't see it. So I'll go to cloud.pix4d and see. Okay, so we have this Columbia Baptist that says it's processing and it's, just at the beginning. Um, so that's kind of where we're at. And so it usually takes anywhere from, 1 to 4 hours to process stuff like this. Probably closer to one generally, but sometimes it gets, other people are using the server. So that's probably about it for now. It's pretty easy.